What's up everyone? In this video, I'm going to show you how you can edit your own video using the Inshot app. Okay, so we've downloaded the Inshot app. So we open it and hit the new button. Then we select the videos that we want to add and hit the green button on the bottom. Okay, so we are now in our Inshot app. So on the bottom you have a lot of options that you can use. Canvas would just determine what size the video is going to be, determining on what platform you're going to use, or if you know the size that you want to use already. Music. So wherever this white line is, wherever you drag it to, that's where it's going to be inputted. You can import your favorite music or songs, or you can use the catalog that's already here. So I'm just gonna show you a little something right quick of what they have to offer. Okay, so we'll go with that one. We're going to hit the download button and hit the use button. So hit play. So that's going to play. So if you click on the audio itself, the purple box, you can edit it. You can fade in the music, fade out the music. You can adjust the volume on what you want. You can split it. So now instead of one entity, it is now two. And say you want to do that, you can do that. Click on it again. You can, of course, adjust the volume, delete it, do voice effects. That would be more of from a speaking standpoint and not from music. Or you can denoise it or duplicate it as well. So if you want to select it and use it, you'll hit the check mark. And say you don't want to use it, click on it, hit delete. And you can add all kind of different effects, audio effects. Here's a wide selection of what you can add. So just click on one. So we'll go to what's popular. You can add any of that to your videos, or you can just hit the record button and record your voice. So next you have stickers. You can add stickers. You can stickers or GIFs. Text, if you want to add a text to the screen. So you have the text, hit the edit button. You're able to control what color that is. If you want it to have a shadow, border label, or the opacity, change the different, change the style of fonts. Or if you want to have some kind of an effect. All right, so I don't want that though. We're going to hit the X button and delete it. You can doodle anywhere on the screen. All right, so filters. This is going to be just what you think it is. Zoom in, zoom out, tremble, roll, etc. and etc. Have a wide variety. I'm going to delete that. I don't want to do that. The AI effect is new. I've not messed with that. Okay, so basically you can make them move, dance, etc. Pardon me. It draws a line around your video. Okay, that's pretty neat. That will take some getting used to. And of course, you can adjust your video, contrast, warmth, tint, saturation, etc. So next is PIP, which is picture in picture. So you are able to add another video or another picture on top of it. I haven't tried a video on top. Okay, well, we can do that. And then you can put it anywhere on the screen you want to. Okay, it does video too, so that's pretty cool. I didn't know it did that. Okay, so you can pre-cut your video. You can split your video, so you want to do it in 2 separate spots. Let me see. I think I want to cut something out, so let's scroll right here. Okay, so I don't like how I'm walking towards the camera, so I'm gonna very carefully right here. My arm's going too far. I don't like that. So I clicked on the video, have it highlighted, hit the split button, and I delete that. So that makes that a little bit better. Okay, so I'm going to freeze that. That video just now became a 5-second still. I'm sorry, 3 seconds, but you can adjust that however long you want, and it'll be a still photo. Just do it at 2 seconds. Okay, so these are all your different videos. You can also add pictures in here as well. So like this one here, the second one, you can tell a little photo on the top left. That shows you as a photo. 2 seconds at the bottom, that's how long it's still for. Okay, so we're gonna do the same thing here. As I don't want that a video, I want that as a photo. Okay, where were we? So the volume. So you can go through video by video and do this. Say you want it all at 75%. You'll hit this 2 check marks on the left, and it'll change the whatever setting you have it on. It'll do that for every video frame that you have, so you don't have to go one by one. It makes it a little bit faster to do. Background, which is going to be the sides, you can change whatever color you want. I think black looks the best for me, so that's the one I do. Speed, you're able to adjust the speed of your video. So say you want to speed it up, which I do on the majority of all my videos, because I don't like long videos. People's attention spans are long. They want short videos, so that's what I like to do. So we'll speed this up. So we're going twice as fast. We're on number 2 now. So animation, pretty much be the same thing as what we were looking at earlier. A good introduction to your new video clips. So the left arrow above the delete button is your undo button to undo what you just did. And your right button, of course, would be your, I guess your forward button to go to what your last action that you took. So crop, of course, we can crop the video any way you want. So this video, this clip here is a little bit closer, close-up view. So the opacity, of course, voice effect, however you like, make it sound. Of course, I don't have any audio right here, so it's not going to show you. Replace, duplicate, reverse, rotate. So all these are self-explanatory. Flip it, flip the video. Freeze, however you like. Okay, so I'm going to do this video at a 2 on speed. Okay, so this is going to be a duplicate, it appears. I'm going to delete that. On the bottom right hand of the screen, it says 3 minutes, 17 seconds. That is showing you the entirety of how long your video is currently. The 132 in the middle, it shows exactly that's how long we are, how far we've come from our starting point. Of course, if you click on your video, it'll highlight it in white, and it shows on the right side of that, on the edge, top right corner, that's 34 seconds. Okay, so this is another repeat. I'm going to delete this. And boom, I like that shot right there. So we're going to split that, delete, we're going to freeze. I'll tell you what. We're going to freeze that. And delete the video that it was. Also, I forgot, if you're doing a voiceover, which is what I do the majority of the time, so I will go to volume, I'll click on the video, volume. I'm going to set this all at 0, 0, and then that's a picture. Hit that, and now you can do your voiceover. Just do a voiceover like I was showing earlier. Go to music, you get a 3-second countdown. Hit the stop button. We're going to hit the check button to confirm it. We'll go back and listen.
And now you're able to do your audio.
And just like that. You're going to cut out the audio. We're going to cut out some dead space.
And now you're able to.
You can also drag it, so I'm going to drag the audio. You can put it anywhere in the video you like. I'm going to put it right at the beginning, so.
And now you're able to do your audio.
So Inshot is a free app I bought the pro version of it. It's only like $10 for the entire year, a one-time fee. Can't beat it. By buying that, that will eliminate the InShot watermark whenever you finish your video. Obviously, I don't want a watermark on my YouTube videos, so it is worth it to pay the $10 a year. So that is how we do it, and then we're going to confirm. You go to the save in the top right button. You can change, save it in different resolutions. We're going to go to keep it in 1080p, 30 frames per second, and MP4 for the format. We're going to hit save. It'll go through this process. Now this will take a few minutes, depending on the video. This video is 15 minutes long so far, so it's going to take a little bit to get up to 100%. Once it gets up to 100%, you can go to your photos, go to InShots. You should have an InShot photo that was created automatically. At least I did, and you're able to use your video and upload it to different platforms. And that's pretty much all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, hit the thumbs up button and subscribe.